why does God create illness, relates to why does God do certain acts which we may determine as being evil. But one response I would say with regard to what we may think as being evil is that evil in itself is something subjective. How is it subjective? The poison of a snake is considered evil for the victims of that snake. But the poison for the snake is good because it keeps the snake living. So poison of a snake, if I asked you, is poison of a snake evil? Some people will say, yes, poison of a snake is evil. But for the snake, poison is not evil because it keeps that snake living. Likewise, if I say, again, there is the limitations of human knowledge with regard to why God Almighty created the affliction, as well as the end result. Meaning, it would be unfair for a human being to judge the divine actions of God Almighty when the overall result is not observed by us in this world. The overall result will be observed on the Day of Judgment. So as believers, we believe in the Day of Judgment, but the Day of Judgment will give us the complete picture of what actually occurred. Meaning, if we judge only according to a segment of what we observe, then a person can come to the incorrect conclusion that God has done something unjust. But if we observe the entire picture, then we would be given the satisfactory knowledge that the divine action was correct.